We need to take you out for a walk, rain or shine? Because you missed your nap time today, so you've been cranky? Can you say hi? Can you wave hello? But because you're always such a good boy and always such a patient boy, we will take you out for a walk. Even though it's raining outside, we will take you. Okay? You've been a good boy, son. Can we see your bump on your head? Oh no, we can't really see it. Okay, son. We'll talk to you later. I know you're not very chatty right now. You need some help falling asleep. Bye. 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 You can't even get a smile? Can't even get a smile. Bye. Okay, bye.